Hey guys, it's me, Gamer101, and I changed my skin to, oops, I shouldn't do that, hi, this skin, and hold on, my nickname is Naomi in this server, and yeah, I'm here to introduce a server to you guys that I'm going to be playing way more often than I usually play. Welcome! Hello, new people. And, hold on, 2 seconds here. Anyways, this is a Naruto server. You like Naruto? You like Minecraft? Get on here. Actually, you need to download Technic and type in Naruto Unleashed. It should have a Rasengan picture on it, and the owner is Wolf Knight Ash. He goes on often, so that's good. You get one free reset if you don't like your clan. Right now, my clan is Hugo Clan. I have Fire Lace, and this is all my stuff. There's events on Fridays, and it's a really great video. I mean, oh my god, video. Really good server, and what's up? Hold on. And T-San over here, wherever he is great. Oh, that's better than my clan. Awesome, look. What? My username's still awesome, but my nickname's what the hell? Yeah. Anyways, I'm sorry. People are just what is going on? Anyways, I shouldn't do that. I beat the Ender Jag. Oh, you beat the oh. No. I'm not jealous because you beat the Ender Dragon. That doesn't do anything, really. Anyways, you beat the Ender Dragon. Congratulations. Also, we need a chest. Yeah, if you get Hugo, that's not really a good idea because everyone's getting Hugo. So you will have to open the chest first and then click your chocolate nature paper. What was I gonna say? Yeah, anyways, this is a great server. I think you guys should join. Great job, T-San, you just blew up. Hi Cal. Die Cal. And we reset because of a couple of things happening. What? I'm doing a YouTube vid. Okay, when he says husband, I have an in-game husband, not a real husband. No. Look what he did. Oh my god, what do you want? What do? You idiot. What? Oh my god, I'm sorry, this guy is just so annoying. Anyways, like I was saying, we have a lot of mods, and holy shit. Oh my god. You see blood all over and are confused on what this is. But you ignore it and go back to minding your own business. What the fuck? I'm sorry, this is sad. Yeah, why would he do this? This is the owner, by the way. It was all Wolf. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to him. Anyways, I need him on. So, anyways, I'm gonna just play for a while, you know, hang out, and once I do that, you know, I'll stay on just for a while. So if you join, that's great. Like once you download the mod pack from Technic, the server's already on. If it's not, then join the Discord, which if you don't know the Discord, if you want it and you can't join the server from the mod pack, just comment down below what's the Discord and I'll tell you. And I don't know what Austin's is. I'm gonna dislike all her videos because she's my friend. I hate you so much, man. Anyways, yeah, my videos suck, but you know, I'm not. You mad? Yeah, I'm mad, bro. I hate this so much. Anyways, like I was saying, I'm gonna substitute out of here. Oh, I messed up substitution. Okay, well I can't substitute out of there. I can't get out of here. Oof. Okay, so I'm hungry. We got ramen. If you haven't watched the Naruto series, please do. This is sad. I feel bad. Oh yeah, we have a lot of libraries here, like default and fairs and a lot of things. So that's why we send. Not a lot of people join, but I want you guys to change that. I want you guys to help me make this server awesomely populated. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell anyone who plays Minecraft, and tell them to join because it's a really good game. And I'll be on almost every day, pretty much every day, different times though. Um, and yeah, so please, I'll be on later too. After this, I'll still be on, because I want to upgrade, but you know. Oh yeah, this merchant right here, they sell samurai clothing, a katana, paper bond kunai, you know, ninja stuff, and some food. KK. I have Hugokan, which gives me a Genkai, which is, one second. Oops, one second. This curse mark. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, let's put back my chocolate control on. And yeah, you know, this is not, we haven't done events for a while because, well, because a lot has happened during these couple of days. So, but once more people get on, we're gonna start events. We're gonna start doing all these fun things because we can't do them if there's no people on. So I'm doing this because I want you on. I want to do the event with you. I want to kill you. I'm sorry I'm violent. I want to kill you. I want to spoil with you. I want to do so much with you guys. And we can do that. We can chat. We can, oh my god, you have no idea. I've been playing this server ever since a couple months ago. Great server. I don't know. I love it. So, and I'm trying to be the most powerful woman here. But like right now, it's not. Yeah, it's sad because we have to start all over again, and I don't want to do that. Baboons, say hi to YouTube peeps. So, yeah, Naomi Noah. Oh, I'm not Noah Clan anymore. I have to change that to Naomi Hugo. Anyways, so let's kill some sheep so I can get stronger. Yeah, you kill. Oh, don't kill. Okay, sorry. Kill sheeps. And you'll get a skill level here and a JP level, and the JP allows you to use like the skill learner releases, the Genkais, and the jutsus, pretty much. So this is your chakra control board that says 75 right there, and let's just do that. And more chakra, the more chakra you have, the more things you can, you know, do with your jutsus. The more hits you use, like the more times you can use your jutsu. Like right now I have low chakra, so I can use one of my fire releases twice and then I'll have no more chakra left. So that's just my Discord. It's so stupid. People just. If you guys join, I promise you, we'll start doing events. We'll start being fun. I just need more people on because I'm so bored, and it's not good to be bored. One thing you should know is medical ninjutsu is the 10 important things you should upgrade. So with your skill points, you can click one of these and it'll upgrade it. So I'm gonna do chakra, which is ninjutsu, and now my chakra right here is 85, not 75, 85 now. So that's great. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know really what to do. What is that chair? Is that chair? Yes, that's a chair. We have furniture mod, by the way, too. So pretty much, yeah. Yeah, you can find desert temples, dungeons, you know, all that cool stuff. Like Raya, you know, anything you can dream of. If you have any questions, just come on the server, ask me. Go to the Discord and ask me, and I'll answer them as best as I can, at least. For how long I've been on here, I probably know almost everything. So yeah. Also, there's also a mod suggestion in the Discord if you wanna suggest any mods, and yeah. yeah, well, think about it. We also need more staff, so, you know, he's thinking about me becoming staff, so that'd be great. Ooh, lava. So look at that lava fall. It's perfect. I should screenshot that. And it's really cool. I really love it. So I hope you guys too. I hope I see you after this video. I really do. So yeah, that is it. That is ValGamer 1. Oops, what the hell? That is ValGamer 101. And what kind of curse mark do I have? I love this curse mark. Anyways, that is me. I really want you to join. I need to fix my skin. Oh yeah, this backpack mod. Oh, and the headbutt. Yeah, just look at this. Oops. Look at me. Death stare. Death stare. Anyways, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys. And oh yeah, one more thing. I love how I won. I love how I won. Look at that. Anyways, I was gonna say, oh yeah, I haven't been doing videos because I have school. I had camp last summer, but now that I'm not having camp and I have a whole week off, I'm gonna do 3 videos at least. In the summer I'm gonna do way more because I'll just hang out with my grandma, and she should be able to let me, you know, do some videos. So that'd be awesome. And oh yeah, you don't take fall damage once you activate your chakra control. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful, amazing Naruto. Hold on, Naruto running mode. Oh, oops. Bye.